Are you looking for the best electric can openers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric can openers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch. The Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch electric automatic can opener offers a convenient and safe way to open both standard size and pop-top cans, thanks to its innovative side-cutting design that eliminates sharp lid edges, leaving smooth, touchable lids that can even be reused for storing leftovers. Built with a sleek black and chrome finish, this extra-tall can opener features an easy push-down lever that allows you to open cans effortlessly with just one hand. Simply align the can and press lightly. Its durable stainless steel blade ensures reliable performance, while the modern design complements any kitchen decor. As the #1 can opener brand in the US, Hamilton Beach continues to deliver trusted quality and user-friendly functionality. Number 2. Cuisinart SCO60 Deluxe Electric Can Opener. The Cuisinart SCO60 Deluxe Electric Can Opener is a sleek and reliable kitchen appliance, finished in brushed stainless steel with a generously wide base that resists tipping. Its quality-engineered motor system and precision power cut blade make it easy to open any standard size can with just a single touch. For added convenience and hygiene, the activation lever is removable for cleaning. A strong magnet holds the lid securely in place during operation, and the unit is BPA-free. Cuisinart backs this model with a limited 3-year warranty. Number 3. Auto Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener in vibrant red offers effortless, hands-free can opening with a simple one-touch button, making it especially helpful for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who wants added convenience in the kitchen. Its stainless steel blade cuts along the side of the can to create smooth, safe edges with no sharp parts, enhancing kitchen safety. Lightweight, portable, and battery-operated, it's perfect for travel, camping, or compact kitchens, while the ergonomic design ensures easy handling for users with limited hand strength. Thoughtfully designed as a practical gift for loved ones or caregivers, it simplifies meal prep and requires just 4 AA alkaline batteries, not included, for optimal performance. Number 4. Bella Electric Can Opener. The Bella Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to handle cans of all sizes with ease, thanks to its strong 60-watt motor and durable stainless steel cutting blade. With its convenient one-touch auto-turn feature, opening cans becomes effortless, no more struggling with stubborn lids. The built-in cord storage keeps your countertop neat and clutter-free, while the removable cutting lever and magnetic lid holder make cleaning quick and mess-free. Finished in sleek black plastic with stainless steel accents, this stylish and functional can opener fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor and also makes a thoughtful housewarming or wedding gift. Number 5. Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Electric Can Opener. The Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Electric Can Opener, bottle opener and knife sharpener is a multifunctional countertop gadget in sleek black, powered by a 50W motor. It features a strong stainless steel blade that smoothly cuts open standard cans, while the automatic stop, on, off, and locking mechanisms make the operation effortless. The device sits on a wide, non-slip base for stability, and includes a magnetic lid holder to lift lids safely, reducing mess and risk of cuts. In addition to opening cans, it has a built-in bottle opener and a knife/sharpener unit, making it a practical all-in-one tool for your kitchen.